a fire weather watch in effect from Tuesday afternoon through Tuesday evening.
It's not hard to understand why the upcoming fire season is a concern for the Plumas National Forest. You can see the signs everywhere you look. And now that summer visitors are heading to the campgrounds and recreation areas, the extremely dry conditions and high fire danger bring fire restrictions. Aurora Saldivar is Patrol 33, a fire prevention technician on the Feather River Ranger District out of Oroville.
I was born and raised here, and I've been with the Forest Service for 12 years.
Her job is to patrol campgrounds and recreation areas, talking with visitors about what's going on.
Since the fire came through, they'll be working on it to get it back open, so there is progress.
Right,
but say again?
So we're restricted right now? We can't go up to some of our trails that we want to hike down?
Yeah, no, not here.
And looking for potential trouble spots that could ignite wildfires long after the visitors are gone.
When I go to campgrounds, I check the camp rings just to make sure that no one's left their fire unattended. During my career, I've seen quite a bit where people just leave their campfires. They think that maybe it'll burn out. I'm not sure their logic. I could start fire just with the embers blowing out. So then I carry 50 gallons of water and I'm able to put it out myself. And we call them in and statistically keep track of them. So we can kind of get an idea of how many recreators go out in the woods and don't put out their campfires. Our biggest concern is that a little ember can start a huge fire in this area with how dry it is and how much we've been in drought lately.
Wildfire is a threat not only to the place she works, but to the place Aurora calls home.
The North Complex fire came through my area. It burnt everything around my property, but it didn't burn the structures itself. I cleared a lot of foliage and had the understory all cleaned up. So I'm surprised that it made it, but.
And for visitors on the forest during a time with extreme fire risk, some good advice.
Be smart about what you're doing out there. Be cautious of where you throw your cigarette butts. Be smart with your campfires and your barbecues. If you just be cautious with it and be smart about it, then you don't cause the devastating kind of fires like the North Complex. Returning to quarters, Orville.
Copy, returning 1607.
Patrol 33.